if I speak out, they'll cut my tongue out.